In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Signals. Think of Signals as your real-time radar for unusual market activity. When set up correctly, it highlights the exact moments that deserve your attention, so you spend less time sifting through noise and more time making informed decisions. Start by logging into Benzinga Pro. On the left-hand menu, click Signals to open the live feed. You'll see a stream of events updating in real time. This is where you'll catch quick-moving opportunities and key developments as they happen. If this is your first time here, take a second to get comfortable with the layout, because the power of this tool comes from how you tailor it to your style. Next, choose the types of signals you want to see. Price spike flags fast movers so you can spot quick momentum right away. Option activity surfaces large or unusual options trades, which can hint at big bets and potential directional ideas. Block trades highlight large institutional prints, useful for tracking where the bigger players might be active. High and low breaks notify you when a stock pushes through notable levels, whether it's intraday or longer term, helping you identify breakouts and breakdowns. Halt and resume alerts keep you informed when trading stops and restarts on a ticker, which is crucial for risk management around volatility. You can enable or disable any of these, and it's often best to start with just the categories that match your strategy to reduce clutter. Now, the most important piece, filters. Filters are what prevent spam and keep the feed laser focused. If you have a watch list, turn on the watch list only filter so you see signals only from the stocks you actually care about. Use market cap to limit results to small, mid, or large caps, depending on your targets. If you prefer cheaper names or want to avoid them, set a price range, like under $10 or between specific levels. Volume and float filters help you prioritize liquid names and avoid thinly traded stocks, or conversely, focus on low float names if that's your edge. The right combination keeps the feed relevant and actionable. Once everything's set, let the feed run and glance at it throughout your session. If you see too much noise, tighten a filter. If you're missing ideas, open up a category. Over time, you'll find a balanced setup that consistently surfaces the right opportunities for you. That's how you use Benzinga Pro Signals to turn the market's constant chatter into clear, timely insights.